So if you will, good sir, go ahead and give us a slow deep breath. Good stretch. Woohoo! Okay, just breathe for a second and relax. Good. Tickly then, feeling things on your neck. Now we're just gonna take, relax into my hand. Good. Then you're just gonna look to your left really quick. You heard that. How'd that feel? Good. Already popping. Feel that? Your neck is super stiff, especially to this right side. It's already trying to release. Good. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Feels good. There it goes. Self a nice tight hug, Miss Teresa. Right there. Sit up nice and straight for me. Perfect. Head down. Deep breath. And relax back with me. Beautiful. That needed to happen. Yeah. That felt pretty good.
Yeah.
Miss Ashley here has a very hypermobile neck, which is not hard to adjust. Just a little extra attention to positioning. Give it a drop, Ashley. Fighting this, and this is par for the course. And there it goes. Now, before we do anything else, we'll take a combination of that. We already popped her shoulders, by the way, so she's good and released there. This wrist for her is very consistently stuck. This is her right side. She is right side dominant. And it's twitchy. That was better. Now let's go here. Back yourself. Deep breath. There we go. Ooh, how was that?
That wasn't bad.
Breathe. Bring those arms way down. Good. Even more. That's called winning. All right. Just gonna trip to the right. There we go. It's already popping. Good. Good. It's a good stretch. Excellent. There we go. How'd it feel?
Really good.
Good. Alright, now let's take it over here to this left side, nice and gentle. Nice and smooth. There's where it locks. Good.